it's Lauren, and we are in the main Luminous studio today, bringing you guys a new look from our new Tarot series eyeshadow palettes. I've already done a look from this palette, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a fun iridescent look that can be made with our Moon palette, which is the one that you see here. And then here are the colors. They're very beautiful. They've got the blues, the purples, and then a nice matte neutral color up there, which can be used to diffuse any of the colors in this palette. So this palette's great for any skin tone. It'll definitely make green eyes pop with purple or blue eyes pop with the blues. So I'm super excited to show you guys this look. It's very simple. So if you guys have any questions about this look, always feel free to leave comments below. I'm always here to help. And let's go ahead and prime our eyes and we'll get started. Okay, so I went ahead and just did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes along with it. It always helps me gauge where my eyeshadow needs to go when I have my brows on. So I just went ahead and did that before we got started. So let's go ahead and open up our Moon palette, which is this one here again. All right, and we're gonna start with our Empower color, which is the brown matte color in the palette. Go ahead and pick up a blending brush, something like this, something fluffy, not too firm and very soft. Dip into the Empower color, tap off the excess, and we're gonna run this through our crease area. Starting right here, I'm just gonna work this above the crease. Not going all the way up to the eyebrow. Keeping a nice highlight throughout that area, but just keeping this right above your crease. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a clean blending brush. I'm just going to run this over the top, just very lightly, holding the brush at the end, and just lightly. Okay, next up, go ahead and get a flat brush like this, something that we can pack on a lid color with. And we're going to dip into the purple dream color, which is my favorite color in this palette. Tap off the excess, and this is going to go all over our eyelid. Pack it on real nice, and we're actually going to bring this above the crease, so you can go above. It's almost covering all of the brown, but not all of it, so we're keeping just a bit of that brown peeking out at the top there. Now go ahead and pick up that same clean blending brush that we were using just a minute ago to get the brown blended. And let's start blending this up. Now our next step is to go ahead and add our blue color. So let's go ahead and pick up a even smaller flat brush, something like this one here. And go ahead and pick up the lunar color. This is gonna go right above the top lash line. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and take a clean blending brush like this one here. And we're just gonna run this over that blue color and get it blended into our purple. Okay, so go ahead and pick up your small flat brush again. This time I wanna go ahead and get it wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a setting spray onto my brush. And I'm gonna dip back into that lunar color. And I'm just gonna run this over that lash line. Let's go ahead and clean up underneath our eyes because we're looking a little crazy. Okay, now that we've got underneath our eyes clean, let's go ahead and pick up our blending brush again that we used earlier for that purple color. And just kind of buff out here, make sure that there's no harsh line. Okay, next go ahead and grab a defining brush like this one here. We're gonna dip back into that lunar color. And this is just gonna go along our lower lash line. Pick up a blending brush that we were using earlier for that blue color and just lightly run this underneath there. That way we're knocking out any of those harsh lines. So what we're gonna be using next is called, where is it? It's called Pearl. So it's got this nice pretty purple blue iridescent finish to it, which is really gorgeous. And so we're just gonna spray this over the top of our eyeshadow. And it's just gonna give us a nice pretty sheen. Really focusing it right there in the center and on up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a break. But this is what we have going on right now. Now we look a little crazy because we don't have our concealer and our airbrush and all that good stuff on yet. So let's go ahead and take a break and I will do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our face done. Almost done. I still want to add our highlighter and our lips, of course. So let's go ahead and do our highlighter, or apply our highlighter. So we're going to be doing with the airbrush, and I wanted to use our our Pearl Luminizer. Okay, so it's just about 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And this is going to go along the tops of our cheekbones, down our nose, and on top of our Cupid's bow. Next, I want to go ahead and add our lashes. I'm going to grab a pair that I've already used. Okay, so while those are still drying, let's go ahead and move on to our lips. Let's swatch these bad boys for you guys so you can see what colors we're going to be mixing together. Let's go ahead and start with the purple color, which is Chiller. And we're just going to be lining basically our lips with this color. And then let's go ahead and grab Prissy, and this is going to go right in the middle. And then grab a lip brush and start feathering that pink color over the purple color. Okay, let's go back to our eyes since they look crazy without any liner added to them at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a black eyeliner to the inner rim of the eye just to complete the lash line area, and then we're going to go in with a purple lip stain but use it as an eyeliner so that we have a nice pretty variation of purples in our eyes. So let's go ahead and just pick up, I'm just using a black gel eyeliner, and I'm going to start right here in the inner corner and connect that to the lashes. Look fake. Okay, now let's go ahead and grab our purple lip stain. I'm going to be using Rival. And there's our purple color that we're going to be using for our eyeliner. Okay, last but not least, our tear duct highlight. So I'm going to be using a pretty like reflect pearl iridescent pigment color. And we're just going to pop that right onto the center. And in order to get that to stick, I'm going to be using a lash glue just to keep it right where I want it. This is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step process for this purpley blue iridescent look that I came up with for you guys. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments below. I'm answering all questions that you guys have. Any requests or anything like that you'd like to see, let us know, and I'll be more than happy to recreate any looks that you guys want to learn to do. And so this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!